Salutations, everyone. Welcome back to another weather video. Good evening to you all. God bless all of you. Welcome to a evening update on Tropical Storm Bertha. Tropical Storm Bertha has did a little bit of strengthening from this morning to this evening. From the hurricane hunters, Bertha has been strengthening just a little bit more. Getting itself together more, kind of, because it's still fighting that dry air and wind shear. But however, Tropical Storm Bertha is just off the Florida Panhandle, the West Florida Panhandle, and it will continue to move west very slowly. Here is the cone of concernity on Tropical Storm Bertha. Now, remember, anywhere in this cone is where Bertha could go, okay? Anywhere, okay? It could go outside the cone, okay? Don't focus on this middle part here, okay? This is just where the center of circulation could go. So if Bertha moved like this, okay, then there might be some rain that form up here, okay? This is just where the center of circulation could go, okay? Now, it's expecting to stay as a tropical storm into tomorrow, into Thursday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, today into tomorrow, into later on this week. Tropical Storm Bertha could be on its weakening phase, okay? But this thing is moving very slow. We still are trying to watch out for it to potentially go like this. Let's hope not, because that's going to give it more time for it to strengthen. So let's hope not. But most of the models are taking it like this, which that will be the better scenario. And of course, most of the rainfall is more south because of the dry air. Mostly the dry air that's keeping this storm from causing precipitation up here in these areas here. Most of the heavy rainfall is going to stay down here. And chances of seeing tropical storm force winds, we have a low chance of tropical storm force winds in these areas. Now, in these areas here, we get to a 60 to a 70% chance of seeing tropical storm force winds. And of course, a high chance of seeing tropical storm force winds down here in these areas here. Here is a beautiful satellite image from Tropical Storm Bertha as of right now. And you can see Bertha's still about look the same. But if I zoom in here, that center of circulation is really starting to show itself better there. I mean, you can literally see where the low pressure is. You can see the spin. I mean, man, that is a well-defined spin. So this is Bertha. But most of our shower and thunderstorm activity is happening down here because we have a whole lot of dry air and wind shear on the south side. Okay? So yeah, that's an update on Tropical Storm Bertha. Now, we do got some tropical storm watches out here in these areas here where we have tropical storm warnings, storm surge, peak storm surge that's in the yellow, probably 2 to 4 feet. And then in the blue, that's probably just 1 to 2 feet or potentially plus. So in these areas here in the blue, mostly in the blue. Now, getting off topic, we have a severe weather outbreak that is happening in these areas here. You can see tornado warnings are already in effect. A whole lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. I mean, take a look at that. Severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings. There have already been some tornadoes, probably on the ground. Live streamers are active on YouTube. Storm chasers out there. You can see some storms popping up here in eastern North Carolina and these areas here. So yeah, our severe weather event is just getting started up here as well. Just want to speak about that as well. So yeah, y'all, that's your quick update, or I can just say weather update on Bertha and up here as well. So y'all continue to have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.